Any experienced dropshipper knows what I will show you today. But the thing is that most of the beginners or even the advanced dropshippers still didn't understand this completely and still afraid to grow and to use the big number strategy. And in this video I will show you exactly why you don't have any way to fall when you work with this method and why I'm so big believer in this method and work with all of my stores since my beginning in the dropshipping using only this method, and this is the only method that I believe that works for eBay dropshipping. There are other methods that also work, but the percent of people who succeed with the other methods is really low compared to this one. So stay with us and you will discover everything that you need to know about the big number strategy. Hello everybody! So this video is a video that I wanted to do for so long time, maybe for years, but I didn't really come to this, and today I want to share with you a specific video about the big numbers rule. So this rule and this strategy is a strategy that everyone who knows me and everyone who talked to me ever knows that I am working only with this strategy in my stores. And in this video I will show you exactly why and why you should start to do this immediately without any risks. So first of all, let's talk about what is the big numbers rule, the big numbers strategy, and how it works and what is the philosophy around this strategy. So the big numbers rule or the big numbers strategy is a strategy which says that you should not spend time per product that you list in your store. You should go for the big numbers and just list a lot of products, see what works and expand there. In many other videos, and I will share some links under this video in the description. By the way, don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel for more videos about different strategies. But under this video you will see links to other videos where I show how to use this big numbers rule. Here I will show you the strategy itself. So as I said, the strategy says that you shouldn't spend a lot of time for a product before the product shows you that this product is successful and worth your time. You should start and list a lot of products where the optimal price, the optimal size or the amount of products for any eBay store is between 8,000 listings to 10,000, and much closer to 10,000 it's the best for you. I want to show you what do I mean and what is the calculation beside this. So let's check the eBay packages. So here we have 4 different eBay packages, where the first one is the starter, basic, premium and anchor. About the others that before the 100 I even will not talk about this, because the stores that less than this amount of products even will not succeed or even will not make enough money to make this business work for you. So let's check the pricing per package. So we can see that the package of 100 products costs $5 per month, 250 $22, then $60 and $300 per month if you pay annually subscription. The prices of AutoDS per package is $8, then it's different between 200 and 400. This is the prices, and here you can see the others, the 10,000 and 1,000. Most of the dropshippers afraid to grow to the sizes of 10,000 listings because their expenses will be so high. Their expenses will be $300 to eBay and $328 to AutoDS, which is really expensive. I agree with you that you shouldn't spend for a not profitable business $630. But what if I tell you that to become profitable in this store size, it's really easy? And let's say why I see this with that high confidence. So let's calculate the price according to the package size per 1,000 listings, just for the calculations and to compare between the different packages. For sure, if you will go to 1,000 listings with this package, it will be even more expensive for you because the price per listing is higher. But let's put this on the side just to calculate for 1000 listings only with the store subscription, without the extra fees that you will pay for the lower packages, which will be even higher. So the price for 1000 listings for the first package will be $210. For the second one, 174, and then 108, and then it will be less. Let's calculate how much is it. Take the price that this package will cost for 1000 listings, which is 63.6. I will divide it by the price of this, what will cost for the cheapest store, and let's see how much is it. It's 30%. So if I go for Anchor store, it will be 30% what it will cost for me for 1000 listings from what it costs for the cheapest package, which is 70% discount. Think about how much money you will save here. Let's compare it to the premium store. So if I compare it to the premium one, I will do 63.6, 108. It will be around 40% discount for this package. Now let's see what I'm trying to say here. If we say that the average sale in AutoDS, this is what we found, is $21 per sale. This is the average price of products. I'm talking about general suppliers and about the total of all of the suppliers together. There are suppliers where the prices are higher, and usually people sell from their high-ticket products, like Home Depot, where the average price is around $80 per product. But let's focus on the general average, which is only $21, which is really cheap products. The average sale price, the average sale profit in percent is 10% per sale, which is $2.1 profit per sale. Let's see how many sales we need in any of these stores to cover our fees to eBay and AutoDS. So the fees here, as we said, for 1000 products will be $210. How I calculate this? I'm taking using this eBay package and AutoDS package. So if I take the $8 to AutoDS plus $5 eBay subscription plus $8 for the orders processor, it will be a total of $21. So $21, the price per listing is $0.21. The price of 1000 listings will be $210. How many sales do we need? If we go for sales of $21, it will be 2.1 profit per product, which is we need 100 sales for 1000 products, which is 10% of sell to, which is really high. But let's check what happens with the premium store, for example. So to cover the premium store, we need 51 sales, which is much better. It's around 2 sales, it's a bit less than 2 sales per day per product. For the Anchor store, we need only 30 sales per 1000 products to cover our fees. What does it mean? And let me ask you a question, it will be better. Do you think 1 minute with yourself, do you think that with 1000 products you can get 1 sale per day? The answer is easy, for sure yes. Maybe, and this is something that is really important to understand, maybe you will not get it in the first month, but after 2-3 months maximum of optimization, that you stick with this method and you keep removing bad selling products and re-upload best sellers from any supplier using many different methods that we shared in our other videos that you can also find under this video. So you will discover that it's really easy to get only 1 sale per day per 1000 products. It means that for 10,000 products we need just 10 sales per day to cover our fees. So think about this. Do you think you cannot do 10 sales for 1000 listings for 10,000 listings per day? The answer is easy. For sure you can. You only need to stick with this method, and you only need to keep removing bad selling products and re-upload best sellers, which you can do with many different methods using the AutoDS helper, the AutoDS finder, and many other product finding tools or methods. I hope that you like this video. I'm really a big believer, and this is something that everyone who worked with me ever in any of my 35 stores or in AutoDS or heard our webinars know that I'm a big believer of this method, and I'm working on using this method. And I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel to stay updated with the newest dropshipping content. I'll talk about many other strategies and product finding methods. See you in the next videos. Comment in this video, under this video in the comments, and I promise that personally I go every day and I will answer all of your questions. Bye bye.